Welcome children to the part 2 of the lesson Home and Abroad. In this part we will be flying abroad to the city of Abu Dhabi and learning more about it. So let us begin. The United Arab Emirates is a federation of 7 small states including Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah and Amalkhawain. Abu Dhabi is the capital of the United Arab Emirates and its local language is Arabic. Abu Dhabi and the places around it are located in the desert area. These areas have mountains made of sand and they are known as sand dunes. Desert areas like Abu Dhabi receive no or very less rainfall. There is hardly any water below the ground. That is why very few plants and trees grow in such areas. Some of the commonly grown desert plants and trees are cactus, aloe vera, date palm tree, and palm tree. As the weather in the desert areas is very hot, people wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered. Even their head is covered, as you can see in the picture. This protects them from the strong sun. Since water is not easily available in desert areas and the weather is extremely hot, animals which can survive on less water are usually found here, like lizards, camels, snakes, and scorpions. In areas like Abu Dhabi, there is hardly any water under the ground, but there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil, and you will be amazed to know that petrol is cheaper than water. So kids, I hope you enjoyed learning about Abu Dhabi and places around it. Thank you.